A local farm knows the holiday season isn't always joyful for everyone. So they're offering up some time with their horses to help.
And they told our Jamie Azulay they expect nothing in return. So meet this week's community champion.
Few Acres Farm here in Auburn is opening up their gates for you to experience the power they say animal therapy can offer.
They're just very in tune to what you're feeling.
Wendy McCann and her horses, Missy, Sunshine, and Cash, invite you to visit on December 21st.
I know a lot of times this time of year, people struggle a lot for various reasons, and it's just a nice way for them to kind of step away from that a little bit and love on some horses and find their peace.
She says the power of equine therapy can be overwhelming, and this annual free event is her gift to the community. McCann asks for nothing in return.
I actually had one woman come last year and just walking up the road, she had tears in her eyes, and she said, "I really appreciate you doing this." And I told her, I said, "This is why I do it."
Guests can help groom and feed these animals, or they can choose to simply visit and relax.
They can cry. They can, do whatever it is that they need to do. I say in my announcement that there's no judgment here. Whatever you need to do, you have the ability to do that.
If you need a little equine emotional support this season, all you have to do is RSVP, but again, it is free to attend. Reporting in Auburn, I'm Jamie Azulay, Maine's Total Coverage.